All right, so we're back to our we're back to the program here. We're back to Star Kingdoms, and we really need to start thinking about reproducing our mass productions, ramping up our mass production. Let's go to give ourselves more residents here. I only have 12 planets to. Oh, okay. Oh, I misread that. I was 16 to 12. I thought 16 here hours meant. There we go. Alright, let's request. Make a request here for. Let's make a request here for 155 scientists to give us all the science we need. And we'll go down to research here. Yeah. Give us one. Oh, maybe give us an energy missile here. I'll come in later on tonight and continue to I'll come in later on tonight after watching a few episodes of Charmed or whatnot, or Heroes off the Netflix, and continue to produce missiles or whatnot. Produce missiles for here we go. It would appear that Iron Man is still alive, very well alive here. Yeah, Zeus is out of our range here. Uh-oh. What's this? This piqued my interest here. This might be. Oh, never mind. It's crazy. I thought there might be thought it might be someone. Thought it might be someone. Might be Kosaski again posting a video of me making war preparations, because we do have some views, unusual view traffic on my other video, the other posts here of Star Kingdoms. So man, this circle is really. It's really a strong batch of circle here. I mean, I should have stuck to the London drugs one, and not the Rexall Place one. Oh, speaking of Rexall Place, I think I should go. I should go with them, because they provide air miles. They provide air miles for their meds. They used to provide Aeroplan, but now they switched from Aeroplan to Air Miles. So we're gonna be yeah, getting an Air Miles card very soon. Yeah, I should really start to save up Air Miles points. But yeah, I'm sounding more tired and more dopey-ish today. All right, so but I think that if I'm gonna be taking up an Olympic sport then or fencing, I definitely could use a few air mile points. A few air mile cards. Can air miles be used in conjunction with Aeroplan? Well, I think air miles is a better thing for Aeroplan because it's just you can only buy so much from so many places that arrow points arrow points goes to. All right, so let's just cut it off here. This is a still not a close call.